Hello, Kenya. I'm Shagufta Kamran from Fortis Hospital, India. I'm the country manager for North and East Africa business for all the Fortis hospitals in India. Currently, I'm in Kenya and I'm really loving to be with my friends from AJ Kenya Safaris Medical Tourism Limited. It's a pleasure being with them. We have recently had our collaboration, and it's really insightful the way they are putting in efforts to help people from Kenya. Let me tell you briefly about Fortis Hospitals. We have 28 hospitals across India, across the 13 cities of all the major cities that we have in Delhi and other major cities of India. 11 of our hospitals are in New Delhi and NCR. We have four hospitals in Mumbai, four in Bangalore, followed by other cities. So basically, you'll find Fortis everywhere in India. You name a city, you name a place, and you'll find us. Regarding what do we do? So Fortis Hospital does everything, right from a small blood test to major organ transplants. Like we are very known and we are very proficient, and we have been successfully doing cases including bone marrow transplants, cancer cases, liver transplant, kidney transplant, all sorts of complex cardiac cases. So there's nothing that we are proud that our doctors, we're really proud that our doctors are able to sort all sort of complex cases. So we are really happy to associate with AJ Kenya, and we have already discussed on how we are going to engage with the people of Kenya, because what I realized from my experience is it's more about increasing awareness. So I think more and more people should know that there is a solution to the sufferings that they're going through. But the most important thing is getting to know at the right time. So we are coming up with some new strategies, new ways of campaigning, new ways of spreading awareness, where we will come up with our doctors in association with AJ Safari's Kenya Medical Tourism team, wherein we'll be happy to engage with the common men of Kenya, with the public, with the masses of Kenya, and we'll try our best to give you basic knowledge of what a disease is all about and it's treatable or not treatable, because a disease getting diagnosed at a very advanced stage is always a problem. When you come to India with a disease which has already been, uh, kind of treated several times, the chances of recovering is less. So what we want from you is to be engaged with us, to keep in touch with us, to stay updated about all the diseases, because our team does a lot of research. We know what are the common diseases prevalent in Kenya, and not only in Nairobi but all the other counties. So our effort is to bring in more and more latest knowledge for you, and then let you know that there is a treatment available for the same. We promise you to get on board our senior most doctors to help you answer your questions, your health related queries. You don't always need to travel to India to know about your problems. We'll bring it right at your doorstep. So that's what our effort is. I think you can just reach out to us anytime. We'll help you with all the helpline numbers where you can call us anytime, and we'll help you with the latest information. We'll guide you, we'll handhold you throughout your medical journey. So thank you for giving me so much love. I really appreciate the Kenyans and the love that I get from you all. Thank you so much. Look forward.